Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to join the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. In order for us to get this one, you should be able to see here yielding arts. Now you can just go ahead and basically open your Discord and then click the add a server here, and then you're going to go ahead and click join the server. Now here, go ahead and type this exactly, yielding arts, just like so. Click join server, and afterwards you should be welcomed here. Now, for now, you can go ahead and basically click this one to view the rules. And then from here, go ahead and try to check how to join this one. So if you're going to head over here, you have the rules, you have the announcements and everything. And then if you are ready, you can go ahead and verify it. So go ahead and click this one right here and then click verify with blocks link. And then you should be able to see the verification option here. Go ahead and click that one, open this, for example, with Chrome, and then you can go ahead and basically sign in here with your Discord, and that is basically it. If you follow this one, you should be able to join the Yielding Arts or the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server.